So now let's begin painting the rope with a base blue. I took another blue that was Prussian blue, and now I'm taking blue plus black and doing my darker tones and using the poster white bottle color for doing my highlights. Same with the lower rope. And then let's move on to the lower hanging area. We are going to take the cerulean blue and the Prussian blue for the lower hangings. The danglers, as you can see, are cubical in shape, as you can say. So, like cuboid actually. So the lighter areas are going to be the lighter color plain ones, and the darker areas are going to be plain dark. That shows the thickness of the cuboid. And there are some very few layers which are underneath, which are Prussian blue plus black plain. So that shows that those were the underneath layers, and the other ones pop out as they are lighter in shade. And now we go on to our transparent bead, and I gave some Prussian blue lines and now some white lines and spots over the black rope to give the transparent